Hi, once again, I'm back, Kaushik Chatterjee. In this video, we are going to discuss definitely the series of mutual fund discussion only, but here we are going to discuss something fundamental concept. As an investor, if I have money and first time I'm going to invest in the market or let's say in the mutual fund, especially the tool, what are the things I need to look out? What are the things I need to measure for myself before I invest my money towards any kind of fund? So, fundamental, a conceptual discussion will be having in this video itself. Right. So the first and foremost thing, whether you have XYZ amount of money and you have decided to invest, let's say, in any of the mutual fund, series of mutual fund, types of mutual fund already we have discussed. You can go, you can watch, and then you can come back to this video. But above all these things, what is the first thing I need to look out before my investment? Thinking somebody already invested, they know very well. Yes, that is all about your the team who are going to manage your entire even fund. The people involved in this fund, the people are going to take care of your money, not your money. It will be 100 even people money, it will be 1,000 lakhs crores people money. So I need to decide, I need to first have a trust or faith, or I need to analyze by myself who is going to manage this fund itself, the team, the people, what is their involvement in this fund, what is their experience, what is their portfolio, and how they are going to manage this fund. This basic things I need to understand first. So typically you are going to invest your money, but on whose hand you are going to invest your money, who is going to take care of your money, is it a safe hand or not? That is the first thing you have to take care. In details we are going to discuss what exactly team, what are the other things that we might be discussing some other video. But yes, fundamentally if I look out, I have to understand this concept first, and this I have to understand for myself and for my portfolio. The safe hand, the team is genuine, the team is experienced, the team is capable to bounce up my loss or any situations, because it's a longer investment. Right. Now the second point is the process. As you know, even if you look out, even if I give you a typical example for each and everything, even the today if you want to have some food, even there is a process. I have to wash my hand, I have to go to table, I have to order something, I have to have a spoon, I have to have a plate, whatever. This is all about your process by step. What I mean to say, process is nothing but your step by step. So what are the steps they are following? How they are going to invest? What are the entire parameters they are actually following? Is it valid or it is not valid? It is rigid or it is non-rigid? It is really blocking some of my parameters or some of my investment options, or it is really opening for me some other good opportunity. So you have to understand, you have to analyze through by this process itself, and this is very very important. Now, the third one is this is by yourself, your own vision, it is your own outcome. Typically, if I look out, this is something like your own thought. What for I'm investing? What is the outcome of my investment? What is the investment amount, investment parameter? What is the future of this? So, everything you can visualize, you can analyze, because you are going to be engaged, you are going to invest your bulk amount, maybe your small penny, even your xyz amount, even maybe monthly, maybe even quarterly, maybe even half yearly, maybe yearly. So this commitment, is it worthful to reach out my this plan, to reach out my this goal, to reach out my this vision even in future? So you have to visualize everything. Tomorrow what is going to happen you cannot even predict today, but you can at least predict, you can visualize like it can happen, it might happen. I'm prepared for it, I'm ready for it, financially I'm ready for it. And that is all about this. You have to visionize everything for your investment. And definitely the last one is not at all even anytime you cannot ignore. That is all about your performance or returns of your entire even investment. Return is very, very lucrative for everyone. This word itself is very, very lucrative. And whatever you invest, any short of tool, any parameters, return is the one option for every investor. You have to even take a call. If you are not going to get the return, then what for you have invested? Your entire investment is failed. Entire even portfolio is failed. Entire money is gone. Definitely that was not your call. Definitely that was not your vision. Definitely that was not your process. Definitely that was not even the people whom you want to bang on, whom you want to even trust. So that is for step by step. If I look out the team, again, if I look out, everything is organized or not, the process, my vision, and top of this, the all three, it will be together, it will work on your returns. Am I going to get, is this fund is really working? When this fund actually started, what is the inception date? How long this fund is running? In average, what is the return? What is the margin what they have already reached? They have grown even out of this, or they have gone even below of the line, borderline, whatever. Everything you have to analyze, because once you invest, once your money is gone to from your bank account to that account, means you are not at all even going to recheck again these four parameters, again these four fundamental conceptual things, because it is already gone. The bullet is already gone. Maybe that bullet killed someone. If it is not killed, at least it passed, but you cannot take back that bullet again. You have to keep in mind that whenever you are going to invest, it may be like works as a bullet. That bullet once gone, you cannot take it back. So you have to use that bullet properly by visionize, by your understanding this entire even process, by understanding the returning capacity, and finally the people who are going to manage, the people who are going to take care of your money or entire money, whether you have a trust, whether you trust them, you have the faith on them, and that decides your entire even mutual fund returns, that decide your entire even investment portfolio and your future of your investment. So very, very important, very, very interesting. So probably we'll be discussing in details in some other video all these parameters. But yes, as a financial even consultant, as a even financial even experience, 19 years, I can also tell you these are the four parameters, these are the things before you invest even any of the tool, not only for the mutual fund, all about mutual fund, all about any kind of equity market, all about your investment. You have to do your own research first. You have to analyze your own need first, and then you have to all these parameters you have to check. If it is all done, if it is all ticked, then definitely you can go ahead. Rest all even events in future we can see and we can watch also. Thanks for watching.